Please be seated, everyone. Good evening to our Honorable Director, Sir, Professor P.K. Beda, Sir, our respected guests and dignitaries, our faculty members, and of course, our TIT family. We are a diverse group here this evening. Some of you have joined us just down the street, while others have flown thousands of miles to be here with us. Yet, your presence adds to the diversity of our event. We celebrate our shared humanity this evening with you all. In esteemed presence of our guests, our event is elevated to set the tone for today's cultural celebration. India, a land of vibrant diversity, welcomes you to a journey through its rich culture and timeless traditions. The melange is woven with threads of unity, diversity, and harmony. Let's cherish the joy and growth of art, dance, music through various performances and celebrate the ancient, modern, and forever evolving history. Before we start our event, we seek your understanding for any imperfections. Thank you.
To our esteemed guests and everyone present here today, India is not just a country. It is a living celebration of cultures, traditions, and the timeless value of Atithi Devo Bhava. The guest is truly regarded as divine. Through today's dances and performances, we proudly present the spirit of unity in diversity. From the rhythm of our folk traditions to the elegance of our classical arts. As we move forward, we now travel into the rich cultural art of Uttar Pradesh, the land of grace and classical traditions. From this sacred soil was born Kathak, a classical dance form born from temple traditions and ancient storytelling. Kathak transforms rhythm into prayers, movement into meditation, and bhav, meaning expressions, into worship. So let us immerse ourselves into the rhythm and grace of this beautiful classical form. Please put your hand together for the welcome dance performance.
करेगी बात का नजारे गाँव में तेरा बारी माँ चमन पखाने नाद नाद देख बाली दुर्ग दुर्गति असुर नाशिनी जड़ 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 डाल कर तक जड़ जड़
जोर की धरती भी धड़के रहे हर एक कदम में परंपरा हरियाणा छलके which means where men proudly wear the dhoti khandka and women shine gracefully with the daman where every beat tells a story and every step carries tradition from the dramatic expression of song to the joyful celebration of Phag during Holi Haryana's culture dances with energy pride and passion. So without wasting your time, I would like to call our Haryanvi Tashan group on stage for Haryanvi dance. Please give a huge round of applause for them.
तकरार devotion and tradition. From the sacred temples of Puri to the vibrant villages of Sambalpur, culture lives in every heartbeat. The elegance of Odissi, the lively spirit of Sambalpuri folk dance, the colorful Sambalpuri saris, and the rhythmic beats of Dhol and Mayuri together creates a magical celebration of heritage. In Odisha, dance is not just a performance. It is prayer in motion. It is history in rhythm. It is pride in every graceful step. So, get ready to witness the beauty, devotion, and vibrant energy of Odisha come alive on the stage. Please welcome our performances with a huge round of applause.
Presentation of Odisha culture. But now we move on to our next presentation. Let us together revisit the textile journey of India. The upcoming team is going to showcase the growth of this industry, from its agriculture dependency to the modern innovations. The story begins in the cotton fields, where farmers used their traditional plugs and afterwards modern tractors, which forms the foundation of this industry. However, as we all know that every innovation inevitably invites disruption, where farmers were not receiving the deserving amount as their hard work and talent, which leads to the loom and the Charkha movement. These movements encourage self-reliance and help to revive Indian textiles. Afterwards, the production improved, the increasing of trades between India and other countries. The industry started expanding its global presence. Especially the rich Indian culture that shines through the saris and kurtas, representing the craftsmanship. Not only on its own, textiles start supporting other fields like medical, such as bandages and other protective materials. In defense, bullet resistance uniforms that ensures safety of soldiers. And in sports, making comfortable wears and shoes that help athletes to perform under pressure. The Indian textile have continuously evolved to serve the society in many ways. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, settle down comfortably, and please welcome the Dark Shadows, presenting you the textile journey of India.
song of Punjab, a land where music lives in every heartbeat. From the golden fields of Punjab rises a voice full of passion, pride and tradition. Punjabi folk singing is not just music. It's storytelling, it's emotion, it's spirit of the soul. With powerful lyrics, energetic bolia and the vibrant beats of the dhol. This performance celebrates Punjab's rich culture and festive traditions. So sit back, feel the rhythm and let the melodies take you straight to the Punjab. Let's welcome a performer with a big round of applause.
Oh
Namaskar everyone. Are you guys ready to feel the power of Bengal? Where the dhak meets loud, dhak bajje. Where Ma Durga arrives, the energy rises high. Where traditional dhotis and powerful steps, with strength, spirit, and fearless expressions, these young warriors of the dance bring alive the festive fire of Ma Durga. This is not just a rhythm, it's a devotion in motion, it's tradition with power, it's Bengal's final stage. So get ready to cheer louder, clap harder, and welcome our amazing performers with a huge round of applause.
Really let us feel the soul of Bengal. So ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to feel the beat? Are you ready to raise the heat? Because this evening, the stage is not just a stage, it's a dance floor of fire. From the raw streets of indie hip-hop, where every move screams attitude and every beat drops power, to the larger-than-life world of Bollywood, where drama, glamour and swag rule the spotlight. This is where street style meets filmy style. When the bass drops, they pop. When the beat hits, they lock. And when Bollywood vibes kick in, they rock. So don't just sit there. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, and get ready to witness a performance packed with energy, confidence and full desi swag. Let's make some noise and welcome our incredible performers, the Optimistics. Because this evening, we don't just dance, we own the stage.
कोई Ladies and gentlemen, you are not ready for this. Get ready?
But I fuck with my slave, they call me a bad man, that's a fucking good thing. Mama said swing back when another man swings, so I make my mama cry when they make their heads ring. Father forgive me, I can forgive them. You know my history, know what I did then. And what I do now, a whole lot worse. Heavy is the head, it's a blessing and a curse.
शादी जी हुंदी बिलो साडे आउण ते बस मौत ही मिले सानू हथ पाउण ते जन्नत विच जारी कीता सरकार नहीं पाबंदी होई आ साडे वांगू जान ते हथ केड़ा पाऊ बिलो मेरी जान नू तू बस एक वारी आके खड़ जट नाली सच्चे खबचे हुंदे जग नाली तारा बंदे हुंदे तेरे जग नाली सच्चे खबचे हुंदे जग नाली तेरे जट नाली ना मारे आना यारी ना ही मारे आना बिलो बैर रखा तुसी केड़ा सारे लग दे जो थोड़ी खैर रखा मेरे उत्ते रखे नी मैं रोब ते शहर रखा मारे कमाली पिंड वाली बिलो नहर रखा खेत खुद पंगा पै जे इस वास्ते नी दबे दिन चार कट्टे बिलो वंड नाली सच्चे खबचे हुंदे जग नाली खुद तारा बंदे हुंदे तेरे जग
and energetic steps, you guys lead the stage. So, are you ready to turn this stage into a full-on celebration? Feel that vibration in the air? That's not just music, that's Bhangra calling. It's bold, it's lively, and it's pure celebration. So, presenting you TIT ki Aan, Baan aur Shaan, Sher-e-Punjab.
ਪੁੱਤ ਜੱਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਰੋਂਦੇ ਬੱਕਰੇ ਨੀ ਮੋਢਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਦਾਂਗਾ ਤਰੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੋਨੇ ਦੇ ਸੋਨੇ ਦੇ ਤੜੀ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੱਕੀਆਂ ਪੜਕਣਾ ਤੇ ਪੱਕ ਚੱਕ ਦੇ ਨਾਰੇ ਲੋ ਜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਟੀਆਈਟੀ ਦੇ ਮੁੱਛ ਫੁੱਟ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਜਵਾਨ ਤੇ ਸੋਹਣੀਆਂ ਸੋਹਣੀਆਂ ਮੁਟਿਆਰਾਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਬੁੱਲਾ ਜੇ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਹੱਥ ਦਾ ਲੋਕ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਸਿੱਧ ਨਾਚ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਭੰਗੜਾ
the evening, I now request to unveil the winners. I now invite our Honorable Director Sir and Professor Javed Sheikh Sir, Professor Sabas and Nanch ma'am to please felicitate and declare the winners and share the results with us.
You can keep energy up, right? So rather than keeping a suspense, I will just go on to announcing the results. But what a day to remember, from starting to end, full of technical knowledge and full of energy at the end. Thank you very much. So third prize goes to Mr. Dushyant Dubey. Dushyant Dubey is there. Yeah.
हाँ जी सर, हाँ जी सर, साहब, हाँ जी सर.
Second prize goes to Shivani Negi.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
Finally, the first prize, I think mic is not working. So first prize goes to Mr. Shashwat Singh. Shashwat Singh. Thank you.
Let us registered students to please proceed towards boys' hostel for dinner. I request our respected guests and all the staff members to please join the dinner with more conversations near the middle lawn. Thank you so much. Registered TIT students, please proceed for dinner near the boys' hostel.
No, this is cheese. What is cheese? But here, Indian name is paneer.
भाई देख तेरे को ले नहीं जाएंगे, हम समझते हैं, तेरे को वहीं जाना पड़ेगा। मनोज ने बुला दे फिर। आ ही नहीं रहा, अभी कुछ हो गया हमारे। रिकॉर्डिंग
होने के लिए मैं आपके यहाँ
शाम से वो बैठी बिल्ली का है। हाँ ये बिल्ली नहीं, इससे नहीं खाना।
ले लो।
मन तो मम्मा से
Stay at Khmelnytskyi and live still in Khmelnytskyi and bring family and this is our.
You have a minority, Indian minority now.
Yeah, it's very good.
They go for care the war. They have now spies and.
फिर मैंने सब कुछ डाला था।
बड़े थे मेरे से क्योंकि वो MSc करेंगे। जब आप फ्री में ज्ञान देते हो ना लोग सोचते हैं एग्जैक्टली सही कह रहे हो। एक हमारी भी खींच देना फोटो। आज में रात भी जाने दो थोड़ा मर्रम। हाँ थोड़ा मर्रम जाने दो जरा थोड़ा दर्जा कोई हानि न कर रहा सुबह में आकर चांदी भाई आइसक्रीम मंगवाने को ले लिया तो 3 तारीख को 1000 लेंगे सर। एक ही चीज़ है भाई ठीक है बिल्कुल बढ़िया चटनी यही है चटनी कहाँ चटनी लोकेशन दिया क्या ना के बाद में है ये दो ये चटनी के साथ